Hello, Chef here once again playing around in one of the kitchens. I've got this Parmigiano Reggiano. Oh, this stuff is good. It's very, very hard. So you can grate it with a grater. You can use a very, very sharp chef knife to cut some thin slices. I like to just snack on this cheese sometimes. It's really, really good. And you can see this knife's biting right through this rock hard cheese. Those are some pretty beautiful little cuts there. Call them bite-sized pieces. I like it. Yeah, check it out. Learn more about this wicked cool knife at your sponsor right there. And when you get a chance, score some of this cheese and try it out. Oh, yeah, that is really, really good.